This is a video on finding the work done when we're lifting something up with a chain. The question states, a 3,000-pound car lies at the bottom of a 400-foot ditch. If a chain that weighs 5 pounds per foot is used to lift the car out of the ditch, how much work will be done? In order to solve this problem, we have a car and a chain. So what we're going to say is that the total amount of work is the work for the chain plus the work for the car. The car is the easiest one, so let's work on that first. We have a 300-pound car, and we have to lift it up 400 feet. So the work is equal to the force, which is 3,000, times the distance traveled, which is 400. And what I get when I multiply is 1,200,000. And that's foot-pounds. Now let's go for the work for the chain. So here's our chain. Let's look at the chain one link at a time. So I'm going to look at the work just for one chain link. So let's call the length of that chain link delta x. Then since the chain link weighs 5 pounds per feet and it's delta x feet, the force or the weight for that particular chain link is 5 pounds per feet times delta x feet. The distance I'm going to have to lift that, if it's already x feet off the ground, then I'm going to have to lift it 400 minus x feet to get it up to the top. The total distance from bottom to top is 400, and then I've already got x feet, so 400 minus x is the amount that I have to lift it up. That's just the work done for one link of the chain. To get the work done for the entire chain, we add them up, all the links, or all the work for the links, and we take a limit as delta x goes to 0, and we've seen this before, we end up with an integral. We could say the work for the chain is going to be 5 times 400 minus x dx, and the lowest x is going to be 0, that's at the bottom, and the highest x will be is 400, that's the top. So that's why we go from 0 to 400. I worked this out, and what I got was 400,000 when I integrated this. So now we're able to finish the problem. We now have the work for the chain and the work for the car. So all we do is add them up. We get 400,000 plus 1,200,000, and what I get is 1,600,000 foot-pounds of work that I'm going to have to use in order to lift that car up with the chain. And I'm done with the problem.